Gospel musicians, I got a tool for you, built just for you on Tshepo Piano Lessons. So here's what you want to do, right? You're a gospel piano player, a musician, an arranger, whatever that you are, right? You want to arrange something nice or learn something nice to play a gospel song. What do you want to do? Come to Tshepo Piano Lessons, go to Tools. From here, we have all our tools here, right? This is the toolkit. And then from here, come to the Gospelizer. Yeah, that's right. From then, launch that tool. It's web-based, right? It's web-based. Come here. So what this does, I'm gonna show you in just a moment. You wanna select the key first. Let's go with A flat, right? A flat major. And you wanna kind of like to visualize or have an idea of like, okay, it's fine. In A flat, if I was to go to to the 2, right, minor, or to the 5 dominant, right, how will it sound like? Let's find out, right? I also want to find out. Let's gospelize this, right? Gospelize it. From here it shows the passing chords options below. How amazing that, right? And I know maybe sometimes you'll be looking for to add more into your passing chords. You want to add more because you want to fill in those gaps. Sometimes maybe you are playing solo, you want to make sure that you're adding those nice chords. This tool, come here, gospelize that. Let's play the first one and breaking this down into levels, right? Don't want to just have one level. This is not a one shoe size fit all. We want to accommodate everyone, beginners, intermediate, pros as well. Let's start with the beginner one. Let's play it. Let's hear. Interesting. And then let's hear this level 2 one. What do you want to do? Just come here. Huh? Nice. You can see that it kind of like it has advanced a little bit. And the cool thing about this, you're not getting just the sound, you're getting the chord as well, which is good, right? It's guiding you. This is very interactive. This is a tool you use. You know, when you say something is a tool, it's something that you use. So this is exactly that, right? Let's look at the last one. Okay. And that's how you come or you can gospelize the chords, right? And I'm sure we're gonna be adding more here to make sure that you are able to expand, your passing chords or your chords in general. And this is like the gospelize. You wanna come here, you wanna play like a gospel musician, or wanna improve your playing as a gospel musician. We've added this tool just for you. Come here to Tshepo Piano Lessons, go to Tools. From there, navigate to the Gospelizer. Gospelize your music, right?